Hey guys, this is Udit, and today we'll be discussing a very important concept which is called DOA principle, which is called document outline algorithm. So, document outline algorithm, what it is. So, going to our code, document outline algorithm is basically, to follow a sequential, direction of into our document, a hierarchy in how we define our document, which is like in the main tag into our html tag there is head body. Into body we have main, header, and into our main we have basically different sections. So into body we have main and footer. So to maintain a hierarchy, like we cannot put a main directly into html outside the body, so main should be into body only. So h1 should be above h2, right? In h1 is for the main title page, it should be only one into one page. Then comes h2, and h2, after h2 there will be several h3, like in h2 there could be a several h3. So for a main there will be only one h2, and for every article there will be h3. So these all things we know actually. So this is only what we call document. Yeah, so this is only document outline algorithm. It's a fundamental concept in semantic, defining the hierarchical structure and organization of a web page. This is the most important thing. Why it is used? So it is used only for two reasons. First one is for the logical flow, so that if a person comes and reads a document, he doesn't breaks its flow, like what is the main, then what is below it, what is no, so it he understand the flow of the document. And so that is why h1 is bigger, and h1 h2 h3 we should not be using this for styling it. We should be using it for our psychological purpose, which is like h1 is more important, h2 is less important or a subtopic, and h3 is a further lesser important topic or a subtopic of h2. So keeping that in mind, and also for maintainability, so that the user can come and maintain, a developer can maintain a code base very easily. So this is the thing. Accessibility means the it is for people who have low eyesight, or people who use screen readers for but it is the most important thing when it comes to from a developer perspective for this thing. So doa is also very important for accessibility. So keep that in mind, that how we should maintain a hierarchy in our document. So doa is one word to describe is hierarchy, like how we should use h2 h1 h3, how you should use body, main, how we can place that into our code. So that is the thing. Business important of doa is basically for seo. SEO means how Google rank our content, and these all are important things, and that is the most important thing. Only the most important thing is basically SEO, and also for accessibility. And the thing is, document outline is a conceptual model that defines the hierarchy and the structure of a web page. H1 through H6 and sectioning element like section, aside, and nav. So this is also a very important thing, like how section, articles, and aside are used in a into our main tag. So that is an important thing. So best practices is what we will go through. The code, this code is is basically everything has been kept in mind while writing this html piece of code, html code. And we will understand the best practices now. So only one h1 in the whole page, we have only one h1 in the whole page. So that is the most important concept. The second and the most, placing h1 near top of main content ensures the user and the search engine immediately grasp the page subject. So placing h1 near the top of main content, so it should always be near the top of main content. So h1 is above main, so that the search engine grasps it. So this is a very important line, guys. Please keep that in mind, that h1 should be above the main, it shouldn't be inside the main. So that is an important concept. And maintain sequential heading level, which means always run through the heading level, never skip a level, like h1 h2. We shouldn't be like missing h3. So keep that in mind. So h1 h2 h3, it should be into a proper level. And every section article should be heading it, that we already know. Use semantic tags, not for styling, like h1 and h6. I already said that it's not for styling. We should use inside p for styling it, as we know. and it is for impact on SEO clarity and relevance. So this is all, guys, this is all, this is for accessibility. So this is DOA, and the same code, piece of code, I have used to explain this concept also, so that you guys do not, and this code I will put on GitHub. It will be easily available for for reference. Anyways, I have explained things in such a way that you will never forget what is DOA, how to maintain hierarchy, where to place H1. The core concept of this video is always place H1 above main, and never skip a heading, header. And other important thing is it is used for SEO and also for accessibility. So these 3 points, if you keep in mind, this is the sum of whole video. I mean, so guys, like, share, subscribe this video, and please uh, uh, share this video as much as possible. Thanks a lot.